If you're someone who doesn't feel super comfortable in front of the camera or just having one of those weird, awkward body confidence days, I've got 5 really easy poses for you. But first, we have a sponsor. Ooh. Ana Luisa is an everyday luxury jewelry brand that really focuses on sustainability. All the materials they use are recycled materials and ethically sourced. Their jewelry is handcrafted in small batches to eliminate excess waste, and they're freaking beautiful. Their designs, amazing and quite trendy. Plus, they're carbon neutral. Are you kidding me? I picked out their Celeste earrings and their simple ear cuff because I only have my first holes pierced and I really love the piercings up here. So I got this guy and I've been wearing him all week and he hasn't moved. Like, I love it. I'm so happy. They're so simple and beautiful and reasonably priced. It just, I'm in love. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for the sponsor. All right, back to it. For the first pose, we're gonna cover our face with our hands, our hair, and random objects. My favorite one with my hands is to cross my arms and cover my eyes, but still show my mouth and my expressions. You can also cover your eyes with just your hands. When I had much longer hair, I would put it in a side part and just drape it over half my face, making your eyes be drawn to my hair versus my face. You can also hold an object in front of your face, like a flower, pumpkin if it's seasonal, Starbucks cup if you wanna, really anything. I use this little guy as an example. Pose number 2 will be your side profile. If staring directly into the camera is a little weird, a little unnerving, I just want you to turn your gaze to the side. Take a few photos here and then slowly turn your shoulders to see which angle looks the best for you. Super, super easy. Pose number 3 is for anyone who just despises their side profile, which you shouldn't, you're freaking beautiful. Or if you just really don't want to show your face. I want you to face the other way. Yep. It's that easy. I personally like to be sitting on the ground so that you can change up your pose and make it interesting if you're just gonna look away from the camera. Here are some ideas for my Instagram feed. What did I tell you? Simple, right? Pose number 4 is to shake your hair around. Seriously, that's it. I absolutely loved this one when I had long hair. Short hair is a little awkward, still trying to master that. Do pay attention to the expression on your face. Don't look too concentrated, you will see it. I recommend smiling, looking down, maybe even throwing a hand in there with it. Just take so many. One of them is gonna turn out and all you were doing was, it's the best. Now for the last pose, when I'm feeling not super confident and not really sure what to do with my body or my face, I grab a prop. Whether that be a stand-up paddleboard, my dog, an activity, something so that it feels less like modeling and more like I'm doing something and oh, the camera just happens to be shooting. Those are my top 5 poses when I'm feeling a little weird, a little uncomfortable in front of the camera. For more pose inspiration, check out my Instagram at AlexJigs and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next modeling video. Have a wonderful freaking day. Bye!